Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK race. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm a room into the know. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, before we get into the reasoning, the A Vengeance medley video, yes, the official Gaza medley video is now out on Vybz Kartel's Beaver page. Make sure it's on our stream. Go check it out. The video hot. The ladies definitely forward out and represented. Yes, video with a storyline. I like that. Now, let's get into the reasoning. The political or the leadership race for the PNP has commenced. But for one candidate, it looks like our aspirations have been crushed. Now, Shelly-Ann Curran, yes, CEO and founder of John Music and supporter of Mark Golden, made a tweet, and this tweet has crushed Lisa Anna's campaign dreams. Now, she tweeted, quote unquote, "Never trust a politician that wants to ban Vybz Kartel's music." And I would say that is true. And let's add something to that statement. It is time for us to stop demonizing our cultural heroes. Yes, our cultural heroes. Not only athletics. It is not only athletics that brings notoriety and fame to the island. Before we had Usain Bolt, the fastest man in the world, we had music and musicians that exported our culture to all corners of the globe. The whole Rastafarian movement was started by Jamaicans and exported to the world via music. In this day and age, dancehall is now what is conveying our culture to the wider world. And if you notice anything will take place in the last general election, every politician had a dancehall though. Now, she went on to say, trying to ban Vybz Kartel's music while her IG page, this is Lisa Anna, is quoting and using entire verses on her post. Now think about it. An individual will call for our next individual to be banned from the radio because of the lyrical content. But you, as the former minister of youth, quote these same songs on your IG posts. And if you wonder what we are talking about, it was in a 2017 radio interview in which Hannah suggested that Vybz Kartel's music should be banned from public airwaves. Meaning say she don't want to hear the artist on the radio. Now if her statement was because of the lyrical content, then why would you quote that said artist over and over again? I can't see it. But I would suggest, or I suspect that there's an agenda. Dancehall music has helped to level the playing field. Dancehall music, as Vybz Kartel say, created a way for individuals to earn an income, a legitimate income. Millions of dollars are pumped into the island. We don't even want to use the word annually, but we could say on a yearly basis via musicians. Whether it be from tours where them go on and forward back with the dollars, or the fact that the songs can now be purchased on digital platforms, and these artists are residents of the island who have bank accounts here, who pay taxes here. The dancehall scene itself. Think about it. When a dancehall event is held, we have numerous entrepreneurs who benefit from that event. From the security and the companies that own these, you know what I mean, that these securities work for, to the people at the gate who sell the soup, people who have the different items, the artists, the promoters, the promo girls. All of these individuals directly benefit from dancehall. Recently, in the general election, all political candidates had dancehall dubs, but yet still, dancehall artists are still being demonized, especially Vybz Kartel, who is what? The king of the dancehall. And if you're going to demonize Vybz Kartel's music and his lyrical content, then that means he has a dancehall itself should be discriminated against. We don't listen to dancehall. Dancehall not good for the nation. But they are wrong. Because as I pointed out, in this day and age, dancehall not only brings in a revenue stream for the island, it is one of the ways that we export our culture worldwide. Even individuals who have never visited the island will tell you this. They plan to. And how or why would an individual who has never been to the island want to visit the island? Is one out of a couple reasons. Either they have met a Jamaican in person or would like to go and see the island for themselves, or they listen to our music. Think about it. Our musicians are cultural heroes. Yes, I said it. Cultural heroes. Because think about it. Our national heroes are individuals that fought for our freedom and I would just add democracy in there. Because we have national heroes who are politicians. We don't know how they make it there. But think about it. National heroes who are politicians. So with that being said, is the criteria for being a hero only political, or if you fought for freedom of slaves? Because in this day and age, our heroes are the entertainers. And whether that is good or bad, that is what it is. So for any individual who exports our culture to the wider world, brings notoriety to the island, I would personally consider them a cultural hero. And their achievements should be celebrated rather than discriminated against. When an individual can call for your music to be banned from the airwaves, not a specific song, but just your songs overall, but then quote your music. These undercover fans should just not say anything if them not have nothing good to say. And see it? Her statements will more than likely cost her. Her aspirations, well, we can't tell her to stop aspire to be the leader of the party that she's a part of. But we can say this. Supporters or even the party itself, the former leader of the party, some would say it was the former leader who cost them the election itself, because people didn't want that individual to lead the country. And any president of a party is more than likely going to be the prime minister. So if your party wins and you're the leader of that party, you are automatically the prime minister. Now think about it. Mama just put out a statement, Shelly-Ann, saying you can never trust an individual who would forward out to it. But I don't know if it must have been personally motivated, if it wasn't political, for her to make those statements in 2017. Because you're an individual who quotes Vybz Kartel. Unless you respond for your IG page. Unless that will be your statement next. But if it's you and make these posts and I write the caption and I write out the lyrical content from the teacher, shows that you are listening to the teacher's music and that she love it, whichever the subject matter was, because she used it as a quote. Definitely food for thought. Talk to me in the comment section Let me know what you feel, viewers and subscribers. And for those who are new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but I like the reason, of course, and I like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified when fresh content is uploaded right as up on the platform. Comment section open 24/7. Never locate. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. Share icon is located in close proximity to the like icon. Drop a like and bust a share. You hear? Something the reason again. Live, love, and prosper.